guys, ayan. So, papunta na ako ngayon sa isang grocery store to buy some stuff na kakailanganin, of course, sa cafe. Yun lang basically yung gagawin natin today. So, wag na tayong mag-aksaya pa ng panahon. Tara na at mag-work. Char. Let's go! Okay, so we're done with our first stop. At kita naman, medyo fresh pa tayo. Charis! Ito naman tayo sa ating next destination kasi wala akong nabili yung ready to squeeze na whipped cream dito. So, lipat kami sa ibang grocery store. Okay guys, so ngayon tapos ko nang ipadala yung mga stocks dito sa South Bus Terminal. Pinadala ko lang 3 hours yung biyahe ng bus papuntang Alcoy, Cebu. So probably around, ano oras na ba? 4:05 PM na guys. So mga 7 PM dadating na yun sa Alcoy. So I'm on my way to my friend's house at dumaan lang ako dito sa 88th Avenue para bumili ng iba't ibang klaseng steak. Dahil yung isang friend ko, yung pangalan niya si Arvin, sinuyo niya akong bumili ng mga iba't ibang steak. Pupunta na tayo ngayon sa market. Hindi ko na vlog yung sa loob ng shop ng mga steak. Kasi wala na, busy na ako. Okay, so ito yung mga steak na binili ko. Kailangan ba talaga mahal yung dinner? Anyway guys, ito kasing si Arvin, isa siya sa mga nag-push talaga sa akin na hindi magsumuko sa Cafe Malaya. Kasi nga, 'di ba, being a newbie entrepreneur, sobrang dami talagang challenges. As in, hindi talaga siya madali, guys. Sobrang daming challenges. Ilang beses na ako umiyak, ilang beses ako nag-breakdown, ilang beses na ako parang sobrang yung anxiety ko dahil lang sa business na to. At syempre, si Arvin yung parang kumbaga sa barkada namin or sa circle namin, siya na yung pro kasi businessman talaga siya. Almost every week, pumupunta-punta ako sa kanya kasi we talk about stuff, our goals, yung mga problema namin sa businesses, and we give each other advices na as much as possible, fina-follow talaga namin. 10 years na yung friendship namin alongside Marlon and our other friends, sina Ren, sila yun. Since theater days pa, yung tipong walang-wala pa kami. Charot, nagiging emotional. Pero, yun, backstory lang of our friendship. So, I'm on my way to the wet market para bumili ng 1 kilong patatas. At pupunta tayo sa condo ni Arvin. Let's go! Okay, nakabili na pala ako ng patatas, 1 kalahati dito sa wet market. Ayan, hindi ko na vlog kasi nagmamadali ako. Pero ayan. So, muna siya ang nagsugo na ko, guys.
Dailin, kapalit na ba ang tanan?
Wow! Gucci! Gucci! Hi mga sis! I'm home! So as you can see, I'm back here in Alcoy. I had to drive back home kasi merong emergency. I have to be early tomorrow kasi may gagawin akong napaka-importante. Time check pala. It's already 12:49 a.m. na po, diba? Fresh pa tayo. Ganitong oras, diba? Ang dami natin ginawa. Charot. Anyway guys, it has really been a long day. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin ngayong araw. Grabe yung pawis natin from buying stocks for the cafe, had it shipped, met with friends, and then nag-drive pa ako pabalik dito sa Alcoy. So this is how my days are whenever I am in the city. Apart from the need to come home because of my work as a content creator, I also need to accomplish things for my business, and I admit it has really been a challenging journey as a startup business owner, as in ang sakit sa ulo, and I haven't had enough rest since I opened the cafe last June. So mga sis, on days like this, proper feminine hygiene talaga is really important for me because it helps me feel cool, clean, and comfortable during a busy day. Kaya naman I always use pHCare Natural Protect to help me get through the day without the lagkit and init, and with a new pHCare Odor Protect to help neutralize odor every day. So just a few things I love about this product is that this contains real guava leaf extract, provide protection from bacteria that can cause odor down there, itch, and irritation. And seized ha, this is clinically tested, so this is safe use every day. This is hypoallergenic and paraben free. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And again, I'd like to thank pHCare for sponsoring today's video. See you on my next one. Bye! Matutulog na ako!